Before you scroll endlessly on X and wonder why some posts aren't showing up, stop for a second because most people get Safe Search wrong. The surprising truth is that Safe Search can filter out content you actually want to see by turning it off is simple once you know where to look. Safe Search on X is designed to filter sensitive content and potentially harmful posts from your timeline and search results. While it can protect from explicit content, it can also hide tweets you might be interested in. You won't believe what happens next when users realize their search results were being limited without them even knowing. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume Safe Search is automatically off for all users. In reality, X enables Safe Search by default for new accounts and keeps it active unless you manually turn it off. Here's how to remove Safe Search step by step. First, open X on your PC and click on the More option in the sidebar. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Safety and find the Content You See section. Here, you'll see the option labeled Hide Sensitive Content. Uncheck this box to remove Safe Search filters from your feed and search results. Next, scroll to Search Settings under the same menu. Make sure Hide Sensitive Content and Hide Blocked and Muted Accounts are unchecked if you want completely unrestricted search results. Save your changes and you're done. The upside is immediate access to all tweets, trends, and posts without filtering. You can explore content more freely, discover new accounts, and see conversations you might have missed. The downside is that you may encounter explicit content or posts that some users find disturbing. If you're sensitive to this type of content, consider enabling Safe Search selectively or using it only in certain situations. The surprising truth about Safe Search on X is that it's not permanent, it's a preference you can toggle at any time. Adjusting it gives you full control over your experience and ensures you see exactly what you want in search results. If this guide helped you remove Safe Search on X, subscribe for more social media tips and tricks to improve your online experience.